Hi, it's Mike from Custom Cruisers, bringing you the best as usual. This particular motor, S&S motor, 124 cubic inch, that's 2.1 litres, as you can see, beautiful motor. Now this particular motor not only comes like a long block like they normally do, this motor actually comes as a complete thing with all the Delphi big bore injectors built in, the wide, you know, your super manifold that's going to flow a lot more air and fuel, okay, giving you a lot more power. You also get the washable K&N inside S&S filter, okay, your super filter, so it does look like your carburettor, but you haven't. The Delphi injection comes complete with a new controller as well, so you actually get like a built-in race within TUV standard ignition unit or tuning unit, as you can see. Everything else you need, you've got your plugs, your connectors for your decompressors, your wideband sensors which will go in your exhaust. If you haven't got them in, they actually give you the things to weld in here as well. Your oil filter, everything you need. All you need some good oil. We do the S&S oil, or we do the Mobile 1, and away you go. So basically this is a direct replacement for all your baggers 99 up to 06, okay, and it will massively improve your performance. Gear driven cams, none of your chain drive rubbish, and no problems with your tensioners, as you know, for people who've replaced your engines already. My best advice is get rid of your engine now before it blows up. Put this in, get 3 grand for your motor, and with this motor at 8.5 grand, they're normally over 11, you can have a bit of fun on the side, and hopefully it won't go before you swap it over. Give us a bell, 01773 835 666, alternatively www.customcruisers.com. Thank you.